Are you facing issues with mail not syncing from your iPhone to your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to account settings, connectivity problems, or sync errors. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mail not syncing with your Apple Watch from your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure to connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone through Bluetooth. Make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch, and also make sure to turn off airplane mode. And finally, make sure to log in same email or both Apple Watch and iPhone. If still you are facing the same issue, then follow these solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap Notifications. Scroll down, make sure to enable Notifications Indicator, and then scroll down again. And again, make sure to enable Show Summary when locked as well. Solution 2. Turn on Notifications on iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap Notifications, scroll down, tap on the Mail app. Here, make sure to select Mirror My iPhone. Allow notifications on your iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications. Scroll down again and find the Mail app. Tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications option. Solution 4. Reset Sync Data. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Hope your issue is fixed now. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any kind of questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.